10 types of meditation and how to practice it peacefully. Hey, do you know that meditation helps you with positive emotions, longer-lasting emotional stability, and heightened focus during daily life? Meditation is an antiquated health practice that centers around preparing mindfulness, consideration, and empathy. As of late, research has discovered that meditation can lessen pressure and nervousness, improve center and focus, and increment sensations of quiet and unwinding. In today's video, we are going to talk about the types of meditation and how you can practice it. Now, let's get started. First on our list is mindfulness. Mindfulness meditation can allude to quite a few types of meditation, however, has been utilized most as of late to depict a mainstream procedure of developing profound mindfulness into the current moment. This sort of meditation has been advocated as a technique for combating the pressure of day-by-day life, especially in the Western world. Disciples portray feeling more joyful, not so much diverted, but somewhat happier with their lives. Consider mindful meditation as present moment mindfulness without judgment. At the end of the day, you're doing whatever it takes not to be the same as how you are as of now. Like all contemplation rehearses, mindfulness is centered around mind state and body all the while. How do you practice this? Start by sitting serenely and close your eyes. Channel your mind on relaxing. Breathe in through your nose gradually and breathe out gradually. As diverting thoughts enter your mind or thinking, don't pass judgment on them and don't cling to them. Release each idea, yet don't zero in on the idea end. Instead, center around relaxing. Treat every actual sensation and sentiment similarly you do contemplations. Register them. At that point, let them go, getting back to relaxing. Stretch out this training to ordinary action, staying at the time of the body's movement with each new breath. Moving to number 2, make sure you subscribe to our channel if this is your first time here. Number 2, Chakra Meditation. In Sanskrit, chakra signifies wheel or disc. A chakra is a wheel of energy. There are 7 of them, and they begin at the base of the backbone and move up to the crown of the head. Each chakra compares with nervous wrecks and significant organs. Chakra meditation is tied in with adjusting and opening it. Each chakra has a sound or mantra and a tone related to it. By practicing it, sit easily with folded legs on a cushion. Inhale equally and consistently. Close your eyes and focus on your root chakra by imagining a red wheel of energy. Focus on the actual area of the chakra. Rehash the relating mantra. Picture energy streaming. Proceed until you have a detailed image of the red chakra energy streaming in a wheel shape. Move gradually up to the crown chakra. Give sufficient opportunity to each chakra. Invest energy, becoming familiar with each chakra, and proceed with contemplation and mindfulness until you can tell when an individual chakra is hindered. At that point, you can ponder individual chakras. Number 3, Tantra. In contrast to the mainstream origination, Tantra isn't really about sex. Vijnana Bhairava Tantra endorses more than 100 dharanas, or things to ruminate on. Most of them are progressed reflections that, as of now, expect you to be acquainted with fundamental thoughtful practices. Here is how to practice Tantra meditation. Assume an agreeable, reflective stance. Focus on your substantial sensations and taking in a careful state. Focus on your correct foot and envision it is a brilliant light. Think, my foot is brilliant light. Work your way through the remainder of your body, from your left foot to your lower legs, to your calves, thighs, pelvis, hips, backside, private parts, lower midsection, lower spine, stomach, sunlight-based plexus, etc., until you've arrived at your mind and the crown of your head. Inhale brilliant light into each piece of your body. As you go, rehash the affirmation that each piece of the body is a brilliant light. Toward the end, think, my entire body is light. I'm light. Breathe in brilliant light and inhale out bright light to the universe. Number 4, Vipassana Meditation. Vipassana is a customary Buddhist reflection practice from which Western professionals determined care. Like care and different contemplations, it begins with the breath. How to practice the Vipassana meditation. Like Zazen, sit on a pad, back erect, spine straight, and legs crossed. concentrate on breathing and the development of breath through the nostrils, or focus on the ascent and falling of the midsection. As feelings, sensations, contemplations, and sounds emerge, let them do as such without focusing on them. Keep zeroing in on breathing and let different things become foundation clamor. If an insight catches your consideration, note it and name it. For instance, a woofing canine is a voice. A vehicle's sound is traffic. A considered something tragic in your life is thinking. After you've named something, let it proceed to get back to your breath. Hey, make sure you like this video if you are loving it. Number 5, self-inquiry meditation. This contemplation addresses the I, or what it is you're discussing when you say, I do this. It starts from the Sanskrit Atma Vishara, to research oneself. Self-request is about the unity of the body and brain. How to practice self-inquiry meditation. Assume an agreeable, thoughtful position. When an idea or feeling emerges, ask, who is feeling that feeling? Or, who is believing that idea? The appropriate response is normally, me. Ask yourself, who am I? Without endeavoring to respond to the inquiry. Along these lines, you concentrate internal, diverting to the topic of oneself each time something different emerges. Through this emphasis on the self as a subject, you accomplish unadulterated presence and familiarity with the self in existence. Number 6, gazing meditation. The vision is firmly associated with the brain. Indeed, individuals ordinarily say that the eyes are the window of the spirit. In history, the schools of yoga, Zen, and Tibetan Buddhism have created procedures dependent on the rule that stilling the eyes isn't the best way to accomplish tranquility of the brain. By opening the eyes and taking a gander at an article outside, the meditators can genuinely comprehend their spirit. What they see mirrors their internal identity. Looking meditation is likewise called Trataka. It is the training that includes centering the eyes through goal yet loose looking. It implies the meditators make them fully aware of an external object. At that point, they close their eyes yet look at the picture of this item in their psyche. How to practice gazing meditation. Sit easily with your look zeroed in on a solitary item, like a candle, cascade, or image. However long you're capable, don't squint, look after unwinding. Keep up concentration until your eyes start to feel awkward, and afterward, close your eyes. Keep the after image of the article to your eye for a few minutes. At that point, open your eyes and start once more. Number 7, Qigong meditation. Qigong is life energy development. Qigong is a Chinese Taoist practice that, comprehensively talking, consolidates practices with breathing methods. For the reflection practice, you will center your qi, which is your fundamental energy. How to practice Qigong meditation. Sit easily and offset yourself with your spine straight and focus. Loosen up all aspects of your body. Clear your brain by focusing on long, full breaths that extend your lower midsection. Carry deep concentration to your middle, which is the roughly 2 creeps underneath your gut button. Your qi is the energy that concentrates there. Indeed, even as you proceed with your center, feel the power of your qi as it flows through your whole body. As your fixation stays on your middle, you will feel this power all through your body without attempting to feel it. Number 8, third eye meditation. With this training, you'll center only around the Ajna chakra, which is the third eye on your brow between your eyebrows. Our bodies comprise 7 chakras, and the main one among them is the 6th one, the third eye. Otherwise called the Ajna chakra, our third eye is viewed as amazingly incredible because it is an intense wellspring of natural astuteness which can direct you towards inventive pursuits, get rid of antagonism, give educated understanding, and maybe lead you to the most noteworthy type of insight, helping open your eyes towards what needs consideration. When acting in full power, the third eye can help you see plainly, clear mental blockages, and improve mental adaptabilities. Practice of third eye meditation. Sitting leg over leg, direct your concentration to the spot between your eyebrows. Keep diverting your concentration to your third eye each time some other idea emerges. After some time, your brain will encounter tranquility and space between. Number 9, Kundalini meditation. Kundalini yoga will deliver the snake-like energy looped up at the base of the spine. That energy will ascend through the spine and to the crown. This training clings to slimming down works on breathing activities, and explicit developments. Here you will square your left nostril and breathe in long and profound. On your next inward breath, block your correct nostril. Rehash and let your psyche clear as you focus on relaxing. Realize that Kundalini is a yoga framework that takes considering and normal adherence. There's a ton to it, yet advocates guarantee that Kundalini changes your physiology, cerebrum waves, and energy levels. Last on our list is Nada Yoga. Nothing yoga is sound contemplation or meditation, which assists it with fitting very well with the developing active music treatment. Nothing yoga is the cycle of the association of the individual brain with infinite awareness through the progression of sounds. How to practice the Nada Yoga meditation? Simply accept an agreeable, thoughtful position, close your eyes, and focus on an outside sound. You could pick encompassing alpha wave music, the sound of a surging stream, or some other quieting, consistent sound. After you've dominated tuning into an outside sound, center around tuning into your body and psyche. Eventually, you'll hear the sound that has no vibration, the sound of the universe. Thank you for watching us up to this point. This is the end of our video. If you have any questions, kindly drop it in the comments section below. See you next time. Bye!